Before Google formally unveils this year's Pixel lineup at an August 12th event, the company has been teasing what's in store. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google offered a peek at the Pixel 11 Pro in a video that hinted at a new feature related to the camera bar. A voiceover said that people use their phones to access Google services such as Gmail, Maps, Search, Calendar, and Gemini. True enough. However, the title of the video hints at the next obvious move without revealing any real detail. The clip focuses on the Pixel 11 Pro's camera array, which contains 3 lenses. So far, so normal. Next to those sensors, though, is some kind of circular indicator with spinning colors, just like rainbow pinwheel for Macs. Of course, there is nothing concrete to share here since Google hasn't actually revealed any real details. Rumors suggest that Google might take the idea of Nothing Phone and offer color-coded notifications. Perhaps it can be related to Gemini doing some on-device processing. Fans guess that the next obvious move might have something to do with mixed reality, given Google's latest push into that space. Apart from this, the Pixel 11 series Pro model will have a 6.3-inch display with a peak brightness of 3,600 nits and run on a Tensor G6 chipset. A leaked retail listing suggests the device to be coming in 3 colors: a pink beige option, a forest green visage, and a gray lavender look. It's not quite clear what upgrades the cameras will get, but thanks to the chaos caused by AI-driven demand for RAM and chips, it's likely that the Pixel 11 phones and Pixel Watch 5 will be more expensive than last year's models too. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.